compounds which possess same molecular formula but different structural formulae. Structural formula, for example, we are having two different isomers of butane. One is normal butane. As you see that there are the molecular formula is C4H10, but the structural formulas are N-butane and isobutane. In normal butane, all carbons are arranged linearly, but in isobutane, one of the carbon is basically attached at carbon number 2, either from the left side to the right side. You go for the numbering, and at the carbon number 2 that methyl group get attached. So we are having two different isomers of butane, but whenever we go for its condensed formula, we will see that instead of showing each and every hydrogen separately, we have to write down all the group of atoms of hydrogen collectively on each carbon atom. So as far as the structures are concerned, over here you will see